फिर से स्वागत है आपका हमारे ब्लॉग में। तो आज है हमारे प्रोजेक्ट का डे 4। तो हमारे बीच आ जाते हैं एरा फाउंडेशन के सीईओ सर, क्योंकि आज हमारे प्रोजेक्ट की पीपीटी का प्रेजेंटेशन डे था।
I passed out my mechanical engineering in 1987. Yeah, so that is it's right 18 years.
इंट्रोडक्शन सेशन ख़त्म होने के बाद रोबोटिक्स वाले बच्चे अपने अपनी लैब में चले जाते हैं। उसके बाद हमारे मेंटोर संदेश सर हमें थोड़े गाइडेंस देते हैं।
Be ready with that and be ready with a story so that we can explain like a story.
इधर हम लोग भी अपनी प्रेजेंटेशन का फ्लो रेडी कर लेते हैं। फिर हमारे लंच का टाइम हो जाता है। बाहर निकल के देखा तो बारिश हो रही थी, तो हम बारिश रुकने का इंतज़ार करते हैं। बारिश रुकने के बाद हम सभी मित्र चाय पीने चले जाते हैं। चाय पीने के बाद हम लोग फिर वापस अपने कैंपस में आ जाते हैं। कैंपस में इंटर होने के बाद हम लोग लिफ्ट पकड़ते हैं और लिफ्ट पकड़कर अपनी क्लासरूम की ओर जाने लगते हैं। तभी हमने देखा कि हमारे बैच के सभी बच्चे क्लासरूम के बाहर बैठे थे। क्लासरूम में जाके देखा तो पता चला पीपीटी का प्रेजेंटेशन चल रहा था। तब तक हमने अपने लुच्चे दोस्तों के साथ थोड़ी मस्ती करी। फिर हमारे बैच का भी प्रेजेंटेशन शुरू हो गया था। हमारे सीईओ मुरलीधर सर ने सभी बच्चों के प्रोजेक्ट को ध्यान से सुना और सराहना दी।
What will go through it and you pick up and to put it in a basket. So right in bottom of that and the upper barrel you open it and the garbage just fall down. I have a model to show the arm gripper of the bot which I have designed on this is the actually the gripper that will hold the stroke. Open the arm gripper. With different types of objects, using servo motor, it will be placed right here and having different gears to open that, and it will be having around 120 degrees of angle. No sir, only when picking time it will only because when we are using camera it's game of probability. Suppose we are there is a paper, so there is a probability that the system that is Raspberry Pi identified something else. So that's a problem that it will be identified like it is 85% of paper. So to confirm that, we are using the back sensors at the back panel. Back panel, yes. The back panel will segregating the yes sir.
Illuminate, and this is Aditya Prakash, Amit Kumar Yadav, Nabil Abbas and Akriti Gupta. So we are here to present a project for the Kalam Pragati 2025 and this is our project Autonomous Garbage Collection Bot. And I would like to start the session with a slogan that me and my team believe strongly that a cleaner tomorrow begins with the smarter solutions today. So with that slogan, I would like to explain what is the actual problem we are facing. So, in our day-to-day life, we all have seen that there's a lot of the garbage and a lot of the wastage are collected near the streets and in our area also. So, cleaning these garbages and wastage takes a lot of time and hard work, and also it's also had a great impact on our workers that clean these wastages and litters and once these wastages get filling up, it may also affect it may also make the streets look dirty and unhealthy, and it will also affect our animals living near those areas and the people also living there those areas. So moving to the next, why is it a problem? So it has a great impact on our health that our workers collect the garbages, and it has a safety risk like in our garbages there's a lot of hazardous and the sound thing that may injure the workers, and it has an environmental effect. and it has an environmental impact like a lot of wasted damage our lands and the soils, and it has a very low inefficiency. So for the solution to cover the
we reinforces mistake times and also the different kind of problem that cause. Like the sweepers come at a specific period of time and they clean and then they go away. But the problem arises in real time when the people do the trashes over the street. So in that case, it does not work. So for that only, we have an idea for creating as in first slide only, Nancy had told you about that we are going to create an autonomous garbage collection bot that will detect, that will patrol over the street and moves there. Okay. Then it will be fully autonomous. It will patrol over the street and go away and detect where the garbage is. For that we are using the AI model that and the camera model will be there. It will detect the garbage and it will go there, and after that through the robotic arms that we are designing, through that it will pick up and it will go to the designated bin and dump that garbage over there. So here is the solution that we have divided all in the different parts that we are working. Hardware we are designing a chassis of 4 wheels and 2 robotic arms that will move forward, backward, upward and downward. And secondly, perception that we are using camera and sensors like radar and ultrasonic sensor, which will detect the object and all. And as I have told that we are using the AI system, so we can take the model and the idea as I told that our bot will patrol over the street and it will detect the garbage, and through the robotics hand it will pick up it and it will go to the designated bins that are present on the street and it will dump over there. And also we will create a website, a dashboard for the municipality that they can observe that bot, how much percent is charged and how much area that it has covered it. So here how our dashboard will look like. Like this real-time bot status here and the performance, like how much area it has covered, and about the battery level and about the capacity, that how much you can hold. And we will use the GPS for tracking that. So this is just a picture of basically the prototype that we have created till now. It's not physical. It's created on chip, and let me walk you through what it actually does. So as you can see. So as you can see, this is basically the blueprint that we are currently working on. I created this using Onshape. I know a lot of you would know Onshape. So let's look at the terminologies. The white hand up there, I call it the enabler, and the basket hand, we just call it the basket. So whenever the bot is sensing there's, like, let's say trash, let's say there's a wrapper on the floor, it would go towards the wrapper. We use servo motors to make both these hands go down to the surface level. After that, the enabler would go into the would shift front, and the basket would come back. It would then secure the wrapper and they'll interjoin, making sure that it does not fall on our way back to the dustbin. So, like, whenever we're talking about garbage bots, normally what people do is they attach a trash can on top of it or create one out of the trash can. What we have done is we have created more of a modest approach. We'll create a bot that does not bring the trash can to you, but brings the trash to the trash can. At first, it might seem like it's too simple, but we are actually using an artificial intelligence model, which we would try our best with the help of our very sweet moderators to model and help him sing. Yeah. That's what we are trying to do.
सभी टीमों ने अपने प्रोजेक्ट का शानदार प्रदर्शन किया और आज का हमारा सेशन यहीं समाप्त हो गया।